Hello students, we know that scoring matrices tells the similarity of biological sequences. We have discussed identity matrix, blast matrix, transition inversion matrix, distance matrix, substitution matrix, and similarity matrix in the last class. There are several factors to be considered while designing scoring matrices for amino acid sequence alignment. One important factor to be considered for the design of scoring matrices in sequence alignment is observed substitution frequencies. That is, we are trying to identify the total number of replacement or substitution of amino acids in the sequence while aligning the sequence. Two such observed substitution frequencies matrices are PAM matrix and BLOSUM matrix. In this class, let us understand about PAM matrix and BLOSUM matrix in detail. PAM matrix. The full form of PAM is point accepted mutation, or another expansion of PAM is percentage accepted mutation. As mentioned earlier, this matrix, PAM matrix, is based on observed substitution frequency. So generally we can say, based on the observation of substitution frequency, percentage of accepted mutation is calculated here with PAM matrix. If a substitution between two particular amino acid is observed frequently, then positions in which these two residues are aligned are scored favorably. Likewise, alignments between residues that are not observed to interchange frequently in natural evolution are penalized. A PAM matrix is a matrix where each column and row represents one of the 20 standard amino acids. In bioinformatics, PAM matrices are regularly used as substitution matrices to score sequence alignments for proteins. Each entry in a PAM matrix indicates the likelihood of the amino acid of that row being replaced with the amino acid of that column through a series of one or more point accepted mutations during a specified evolutionary interval, rather than these two amino acids being aligned due to chance. When you consider the scoring matrix PAM, the amino acid in this matrix is grouped into 6 groups according to the chemistry of the side group. C. Sulfhydryl alone is a group. Amino acid STPAG forms another group which is of hydrophilic in nature. Then NADQ as acid amide and hydrophilic group, HRK as basic group, MILV as small hydrophobic group, and FYW as aromatic group. We have studied that PAM is based on observed substitution rates. So we might have think, why negative values in PAM matrix? It is because we are writing log odd values, or we say it as the odds of success value is defined here. Log odds value plus 10 means that ancestor probability is greater. Log odds value 0 means that the probability are equal. Log odds value minus 4 means that the change is random. That is, we are checking the percentage of accepted mutation. Thus, if we find the probability of alignment of two sequences of YY, then it will be, we know that from this PAM table, the value is 10 for the YY alignment. So YY, the 10 plus 10, 20. Suppose the two sequences are YY and TP. Then for first Y in the first sequence and first T in the second sequence, the alignment score from the PAM matrix is -3. Then YP, that is the probability of mutating Y with the amino acid P, is with value -5, and thus -3 plus -5 is equal to -8 is the probability of alignment between YY and TP sequence. In the previous slide, I had mentioned the log odd values are positive and negative values. Now let us understand how these positive and negative values are gained in log odd values for PAM matrix. So we are going to learn the conversion of probability to odds to log of odds. Actually, probability, odds ratio, log odds, all are of same thing, just expressed in different ways. About the probability, the term probability means the probability that an event happens. For example, there might be an 80% chance of rain today. The same probability can be expressed with another term called odd, or another name of odd is, technically we can say it is odds of success. Odd is defined as the probability of success divided by probability of failure. So the odds of the success for 80% chance of rain has an accompanying odds of failure of 20% chance of not raining. So as per the equation, the chance of rain odd value is 0.8 divided by 0.2 is equal to +4. Now log odd is the logarithm of odds. Now we have understood what is the log of odds, and we calculated the probability of alignment between homologous sequences. Now we are going to learn how to calculate scoring matrices of PAM. Log odds matrix is a matrix in which entries are based on the log of the substitution probability for each amino acid, where each cell gives the probability of aligning those two residues of amino acids. The probability of the jth amino acid mutating into the ith amino acid M of ij is equal to lambda into a of ij divided by n into f of j, where lambda is a constant of proportionality. Aij is the number of times ai is substituted by aj. N is the total number of all amino acids in the sequence. F of j is the frequency of occurrence of amino acids, and the result gives the value mij, which represents the probability of the jth amino acid mutating into the ith amino acid. PAM matrix, PAM scoring matrix, is available as PAM 100, PAM 120, PAM 160, PAM 200, PAM 250, etc. We call this as PAM distance, PAM 50, PAM 100, that means PAM distance. Let us understand in detail how we calculate this. First step is align protein sequences which are 1 PAM unit diverged. In the second step, let aij be the number of times ai is substituted by aj. Then step 3, compute the frequency of fi of amino acid aj. Then PAM1 is equal to aij divided by sigma k aik, where k represents the number of amino acids. Then we calculate PAM-n as PAM1 power n. Here PAM1 means 99% sequence is identical or 1% sequence is diverged. This graph represents the difference and PAM distance, that is sequence difference and PAM distance. The observed percentage of difference in the sequence is written on x-axis, and the PAM distance, PAM 50, PAM 100, PAM 150, etc. is written on y-axis. So when PAM distance increases, the divergence, that is observed percentage of differences, is also increases.